Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Lamborghini Huracan doors. First, locate the small, recessed handle on the side of the door, near the window line. Once you find it, pull the handle outward firmly but gently. This action disengages the latch mechanism. After the latch releases, simply push the door gently away from the car to open it. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Sometimes, you might need to use the key fob. Press the unlock button on your key fob to disarm the security system and unlock the doors remotely. In rare cases, if the electronic system fails, there's an emergency release. Look for a small lever inside the cabin, usually near the door sill or under the dashboard. Pull this lever firmly to manually open the door. This ensures you can always exit the vehicle safely. To ensure smooth operation, avoid forcing the door if it feels stuck or resists opening. Always confirm the vehicle is completely unlocked before attempting to pull the handle. Sometimes, a small obstruction, like a piece of debris or a loose item, might be preventing the door from opening freely. A quick visual check around the door frame can prevent unnecessary effort and potential damage to the mechanism. To close the door, simply push it gently until you hear it click securely shut. Always verify that the door is fully latched and flush with the car's body before you begin driving, ensuring both safety and proper aerodynamics. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals to help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.